Method 1 for hemming your pajama pants. We're going to do the exact same thing we did for our waist casing, where we fold it over 1/4 inch, iron it all the way around before we sew. It's a very good idea to double check your seam allowances at this point. Make sure that they are still pressed open. And if they're not, since you're here at the iron anyway, give them another press to tell them to stay open. And we're folding up 1/4 inch. Use your nifty seam gauge to measure and double check this. Since it is a small circle we're doing, you're going to have to move your fabric fairly frequently to work your way around in a circle. You can do it. We're now going to sew all the way around our pajama pants right here, an edge stitch 1/8 inch from our fold. 1/8 inch is the inside prong of your presser foot right here. Once again, we are going in a circle. You do not need to backstitch because you will sew over it again later. Now that we've edge stitched all the way around, we are not done. This edge still can and will fray. So we need to fold our hem up 1 more inch. If we fold it up, the edge that would fray is completely encased and cannot fray, so we'll sew it down. We're just going to fold it 1 inch and pin it all the way around both legs. I have now pinned all the way around my pant legs, both of them at 1 inch. Please note my pins are a bit closer together than a hand's width. Because this is a very precise thing, we need to be careful to make sure we're actually doing 1 inch. We're going to put pins closer together so it can't move on us. Now that I've pinned all the way around in a circle with it open so my leg can get through, we're going to be sewing an edge stitch right here on this stitching you did already, all the way around. This is 1/8 in from our inch fold, which means you can use a 7/8 inch line on your stitch plate to sew this evenly. When we sew around your cuff, you've got 2 ways of doing it. You can stick it in so it goes in a circle through the air, or slide it under so it goes a circle around the machine. I like to do it this way so that my pins don't get caught underneath here. And you're just going to line it up on your 7/8 inch line, which will be the same line as right here. And we're going to sew around in a circle. Since it's a circle, no need for back stitching. Now that we've sewn all the way around, we've got a nice clean hem. You're going to make sure you trim off every single thread on your pajama pants so that they are nice, clean, and ready to go. Dun, 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 dun. You now have a complete pair of pajama pants